In an age of endless creativity, certain inventions stand out for their imagination and practicality. Whether you're interested in gadgets or technological advances, these coolest inventions will keep you hooked and make you wonder about them. Before we tell you about these inventions, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started.
City Transformer. A huge demand for microcars these days is not accidental. In urban conditions, such a car ensures a comfortable drive in heavy traffic or in confined spaces. Startup City Transformer intends to bring the concept of compact cars to a radically different level. When creating the vehicle, several innovative solutions were applied at once. The main feature of the electric car is the Transformer chassis, which allows passing extremely narrow places while driving. The wheelbase tapers to the width of the body, allowing it to squeeze into narrow spaces. As soon as the vehicle exits into open terrain, the chassis expands, adding stability to the electric car on the road. Another feature of the City Transformer is a modular cabin. The manufacturer plans to produce several body modifications, adapting to the customer's requirements. Highlights of the car include an autonomous driving system, a heads-up display, and an energy-absorbing chassis design that increases the safety of the minicar. Following fan. Every summer, we face record freezing temperatures, dreaming of finding shade and chill. Creators of the Following Fan project are confident that they will make life easier with a modified fan that can monitor surroundings. It automatically reacts to the appearing person by keeping the airflow in their direction. The fan will follow you in any direction for a directional effect. It may seem strange, but even such a simple device nowadays has computer vision. Its algorithm works on a microprocessor and a camera built into the body. By analyzing the data flow, a device determines the location of people and immediately turns to them. As with conventional fans, there are 3 speeds and a pendulum mode available. Apex Watercraft Tier. From luxury yachts, we're instantly transported to innovative designs like the Apex Watercraft Tier sit-down kayak. This type of water vehicle is a traditional fishing boat of the peoples of the Arctic. However, in our time, the kayak has gained more recognition as an excellent vessel for sports tourism. Rafting on rough rivers attracts attention of hundreds of thousands of extreme sports fans. The creators of Apex Watercraft Tier aim to bring kayaks back to their origins, giving them new possibilities. To this end, engineers have developed a lightweight body that has a simplified drainage system and a smooth bottom. The kayak is made of polymer foam lined with carbon. Thanks to this design, it has increased stability and easily moves in shallow water. In addition, the Tier has a swivel chair which significantly increases its comfort and boosts possibilities in terms of fishing. Ono Bicycle Van. Not all minicars are actually cars. Sometimes engineers step into related directions and present very unusual projects to the world. This is how the Ono pedal-assisted transporter was born, popularly nicknamed the Van Bike. It is difficult to compare this transport with something, since the usual bikes are not competitors to it, and it does not reach the courier trucks. The main purpose of Ono is the delivery of goods in busy city streets. The cargo bike has two electric motors with a total power of 250 watts and has a speed of up to 15 miles an hour. In fact, they simplify pedaling for the driver. The van can also move independently, but only at speeds up to 3 miles an hour. Ono has a built-in loading ramp and a body with a volume of more than 2,000 liters. The carrying capacity of the vehicle is 661 pounds, including the trailer. Mazu 82 Yacht. Turkish shipbuilders believe that a unique yacht should feature a combination of modern materials, luxury minimalism in terms of style, and ultimate safety. And it's hard to disagree with them looking at the motor yacht Mazu 82. The hull of the vessel is completely made of carbon fiber, which has achieved outstanding strength characteristics and tangible weight reduction. The highlight of this yacht is the bulletproof glass, tempered and reinforced with a special film. The windshield is 0.87 inch thick. The roof of the ship also has an interesting feature in the form of a huge hatch that folds down if necessary to enjoy the open sky overhead. The power unit of the Mazu 82 features 3 Volvo Penta IPS diesel engines, capable of delivering 3,000 horsepower. The manufacturer tried to find a balance between the luxury of a luxury yacht and good maneuverability inherent in mid-size boats. The cruising speed of the 79-foot vessel is an impressive 40 knots. Neolix KFC. While NASA is taking next steps on the way to new worlds, the KFC fast food chain decided to surprise with an unusual marketing trick. Autonomous food trucks appeared in China, allowing to purchase food at mobile service stations with no human contact. A user just needs to select the desired product on the screen and to make a payment via QR code. The food truck will automatically open the desired food compartment, allowing to pick up the order. The main feature of this device lies in its autonomous movement. A single battery charge is enough for 62 miles, which is more than enough for an unmanned retail outlet. The maximum speed is 31 miles per hour. It avoids obstacles and recognizes nearby objects without any problems. At the same time, the owner monitors the movement of the drones using GPS modules and is constantly aware of their current location. Such an advanced basis for the KFC food trucks was created by the Chinese company Neolix. The drone manufacturer specializes in autonomous vehicles for courier delivery, advertising, and trade.
That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like and share the video and follow us for more amazing updates. Thanks for watching.